With the clean surface, I'm going to mark an X and a Y axis. With my X and Y axis established, I'm going to use my 45-degree angle gauge to scribe out my diamond. The way I do that is I'll match the tip of my 45-degree angle gauge to the top of my Y axis, and then the two sides to my X axis, and I'll scribe the line. Now that we have our diamond marked out on one piece, we're going to move over to the table saw, set it to 45 degrees, and make our first two passes. Alright, now that we have our diamonds cut out, we're ready to establish our pattern. Establishing the pattern is really simple. With all of your pieces in the exact same orientation, we're going to go every other piece and rotate them once to the right. Now double check that your weave is going over, under, over, under, over, under. Now that we've established the pattern, we can go through and double check that all of these accent strips are lining up nicely with each other.